Hello student, today we are discussing the chapter 10, Reaching the Age of Adolescence. In the previous chapter, we have learned how animals reproduce. It is only after growing up to a certain age that human beings and many other animals can reproduce. In this chapter, we will learn about the changes that take place in human body after which a person becomes capable of reproduction. We have already learned the human reproductive organ. So first topic is about adolescence and puberty. Growth begins from the day one is born. After the birth itself, the growth of the body begins. But upon crossing the age of 10 or 11, there is a sudden spurt in the growth which becomes noticeable. But the noticeable growth occurs after the age of 10 or 11. The changes taking place in the body are part of growing up. The changes occurring in the body are the part of growing up. They indicate that you are no longer a child but are on the way to becoming an adult. That is the transformation of a child into adult that occurs after the age of 10 or 11. Growing up is a natural process. The period of life when the body undergoes changes leading to reproductive maturity is called adolescence. That is, reproductive maturity attained means the stage is called adolescence. Adolescence begins around the age of 11 and lasts up to 18 or 19 years of age. Adolescent period is from 11 to 19 years. Since this period covers the teen, 13 to 18 or 19, adolescents are also called teenagers. That is 18, 13. Therefore, these are called teenagers. In girls, adolescence may begin a year or two earlier than in boys. The adolescent stage begins in girls 2 years earlier than the boys. Also, the period of adolescence varies from person to person. These adolescent changes occurrence may vary from person to person. The human body undergoes several changes during the adolescence. During this teenage period, the human body is undergoing many changes. These changes mark the onset of puberty. That is the starting of puberty. The most important change which marks puberty is that boys and girls become capable of reproduction. Puberty means the changes occurring in the body of either male or female where their reproductive system is very developed. Puberty ends when an adolescent reaches reproductive maturity. When reproductive maturity is attained, then the puberty stage is completed. Next, we are discussing changes at the puberty. Increase in height. First major change that we can notice at the stage of puberty is increase in height. Most conspicuous change during puberty is the sudden increase in the height. At this time, the long bones, that is, the bones of the arms and legs elongate and make a person tall. So, height is the most major change occurring during puberty, so that the length of the legs and arm bone will be elongated. All parts of the body do not grow at the same rate. Initially, girls grow faster than boys, but by about 18 years of age, both reach their maximum height. After 18 years, it is not possible to increase the height of a body. So, Up to 18 years or reaching the 18 years, the height of the boys and girls will be reached maximum. The rate of growth in height varies in different individuals. The height growth may be different from different individuals. Some may grow suddenly at puberty and then slow down, while others may grow gradually. Some may grow suddenly, but others may gradually develop their growth. Sometimes the arms and legs or hands and feet of adolescents look oversized and out of proportion with the body. Hands, feet, legs, arms, they will be oversized than the body, but soon the other part catch up and result in proportionate body. Mostly the legs, arms, those were growing very gradually, but body will be growing very slowly. But as the growth reaches its maximum, body and the legs all parts equally growth. Height of an individual is more or less similar to that of some family members. This is because height depends on the genes inherited from the family. Height also depends on the genes of the family. This is, however, very important to eat right kind of food during these growing years. During the growing ages, people or girls and boys should eat proper nutrients. This helps the bone, muscles, and other parts of the body get adequate nourishment for growth. This will help in the growth of the body. Next change is change in body shape. The shape of the body will be changed. If age of puberty, when shoulders generally broaden as a result of growth, the shoulders will be broadened. In girls, region below waist become wider. In boys, the muscles of body grow prominently than in the girl. Muscles will be more growing in the boy's body. Changes occur in adolescents and boys and girls are different. Next change is voice change. At the puberty, the voice box or the larynx begin to grow. Voice box began to grow during puberty. Boys develop larger voice box. Growing voice box in boys can be seen as a protruding part of throat called Adam's apple. So, boys voice box will be larger and that will be protruding, and that is called as Adam's apple. In girls, larynx is hardly visible from outside because it is small in size. Larynx of the girls is very small. Girls have a high pitched voice, whereas boys have a deep voice. So, because of the change in size of the larynx or voice box, the pitch of the voice will be varied. Girls are having high pitched voice, but boys are having deep voice. In adolescent boys, sometimes the muscles of the growing voice box go out of control and voice become hoarse. Sometimes the muscles will be grown out of control, so voice become hoarse. This state may remain for a few days or weeks, after which the voice becomes normal. This harassment continues for days or weeks. Later, the voice will become normal. Increased activity of sweat and sebaceous gland. During the puberty, the secretion of sweat glands and sebaceous glands, that is oil gland, increases. Many young people get acne and pimples on face at this time. So these teenagers will be fighting with the problem of acne and pimples. These are common during these stages because of increased activity of the sebaceous and sweat glands. Development of sex organ. At puberty, male sex organs like testes and penis develop completely. Testes also begin to produce sperm. In girls, ovaries enlarge and eggs begin to mature. Also, ovaries start releasing mature eggs. Reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. Next changes during the puberty is reaching mental, intellectual, and emotional maturity. Adolescence is also a period of change in a person's way of thinking. The thoughts will be varied during the stage of adolescence. Adolescents are more independent than before and are self-conscious. During those stages, they become independent and self-conscious. Intellectual development takes place and they tend to spend considerable time thinking. There will be intellectual development in those stages. In fact, it is often the time in one's life when the brain has great capacity for learning. During those stages, the boys have high capacity of intellectual thinking so that they can learn easily. Sometimes an adolescent may feel insecure while trying to adjust to change in body and mind. But an adolescent learner, there is no reason to feel insecure. These changes are a natural part of growing up. So we have discussed various changes during puberty. These are the natural part of growing up.